O2 sensors are located right here on the exhaust. This one's in front of the converter. And then there's another one in front of this converter. These are the two upstream O2 sensors. And then the downstream, after the catalytic converter, there's one on the right side and there's one on the left side. And the procedure to replace these is the same for all of those. Connector's right here. There may be a lock on the connector. You might have to pull that out and then just disconnect the connector, just like that. Then there's a retainer that holds the connector on. Just use a trim tool to take that retainer off. Or you might have to cut it. The new one has one. I'll just cut this one off. And just pull that through. And take a 7/8 wrench, or you can use a O2 sensor specific wrench, or even a socket. And loosen it up, and just loosen that up. And take that out. Take the new O2 sensor and get it started. Start it by hand. And you can tighten this O2 sensor and do the best you can. If you can fit a torque wrench in there, you want to tighten that to 31 foot-pounds. And resecure the connector into the retainer and connect the connector. And then if you have that lock, put that lock through, and then you can do the same with the other O2 sensors.